Hello everyone, today we're going to discuss the differences between single-celled organisms and multicellular organisms. The objectives for today consist of students being able to describe the main differences between single-celled organisms and multicellular organisms, along with being able to provide examples of organisms who are single-celled and organisms who are multicellular. This aligns with the Intermediate Science Curriculum Standard Performance Indicator 1.1d, which states that some organisms are single cells, others, including humans, are multicellular. The cell is the smallest structure and functional unit of an organism. Single-celled organisms are more simple than multicellular ones. The composition, distribution, and the number of cells that are present in an organism determine whether it is multicellular or single-celled. As suggested by the name, single-celled organisms have one cell, while multicellular organisms have many cells. Now, to recap, we will focus mainly on the single-celled organism, which is shown here. Due to having only one cell present in them, these organisms are much smaller in size, meaning they're very microscopic. We cannot see them without a microscope, and are very simple in structure. These single-celled organisms are classified as prokaryotes, and examples include all forms of bacteria, yeast, parameciums, and amoebas. Now, multicellular organisms. So these organisms, due to having many cells present in them, these organisms are much larger in size and are very complex in structure. We classify multicellular organisms as eukaryotes. Examples of eukaryotes include humans, animals, plants, and all kinds of fungi. And that's it for today, and that is the difference between multicellular and unicellular organisms.